humankind's other huge issues today is depletion of our own natural resources. Now, just a couple of days ago in Australia, you raised the idea of using energy and resource-intensive industries in space.
Yeah.
How would that work?
Well, it sounds like science fiction, and the reason it's been in my mind is I made a documentary for the BBC recently on commercial spaceflight. Now, commercial spaceflight is already a multi-billion dollar industry. And the thing that's happening is we've now got cheap access to orbit for the first time because we've got reusable rockets. Both Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' company, and SpaceX have got reusable rockets now. So why? Why are they doing it? And the answer is, and Jeff Bezos puts it very eloquently, that this is the best planet we know of. And that's uncontestable. It is our home planet. We have evolved on it. It is the place we need to live. But there's a challenge because we also want a growing and increasingly more interesting and richer civilization. Most of the world's population are living in relative poverty, certainly to others. If you think about sub-Saharan Africa, India, China, there's vast numbers of people who need access to more energy, more resources. So how do you grow the civilization without damaging the planet? And these people have noticed that if you look slightly up into the sky, not beyond out to the stars, but in the local neighborhood in the solar system, there are effectively infinite resources available. Not only solar power, but in the asteroid belt, there's everything you might need.
So you're talking
to
the metals in the asteroid belt are enough to...
The famous quote, it's there's enough to build a skyscraper 8,000 stories tall and cover the earth in it, which no one wants to do. We're just saying there's a lot there. And now we have the means to get there, that really we have the technology to go. So it's almost a golden scenario that becomes available where you can expand and grow your civilization, increase living standards for everybody without using the resources of the planet.